Ladies and gentlemen, it's me, James Swinney, coming at you this Thursday afternoon from the Modern Wall Street studio right here in the financial district of Manhattan, New York. And I'm coming from the studio this time because I've had a very long and very busy day. Don't even want to set up the cameras behind me because I've been holding this camera all day, especially recently for a beautiful interview with Sarge and our very own Devaz. But before I talk too much about business, let's get to the good stuff. It's nearly 4 o'clock. The markets, they're about to close. You know what time it is. It's time to have myself a drink, especially after staying up all night for that amazing baseball game. It's time for happy hour in the Big Apple. U.S. stocks closing lower this Thursday with information tech leading decliners as concerns over the presidential election continue to linger. Now, investors looking at Donald Trump as, get this, sort of the great unknown, the unexpected, the curveball candidate. This as financial markets across the globe remain on edge since last Friday when news broke that the FBI was investigating new emails related to Hillary Clinton. Investors also taking in a series of key economic reports. Initial jobless claims coming in at 265,000, above expectations of 258,000. Also, the preliminary read on third quarter productivity seeing an increase of 3.1%. Above expectations of 2%, while other data also included ISM non-manufacturing for October coming in below expectations, while factory orders rising for a third straight month. Meanwhile, on the earnings front, social media company Facebook posting better than expected results after the close yesterday, but the stock down nearly 6% as the company pointed that its ad load could come down meaningfully next year. And with the British pound up more than 1% after the Bank of England raised its GDP and inflation forecast, and keeping in England, the sterling seeing quite the rise today following a British High Court ruling stating that Parliament must approve the invocation of Article 50, which would trigger the Brexit process. In other words, Parliament has final say in Brexit. Maybe not the voters. Who knows? Only time will tell. When you combine all of this, you have yourself a session right now where 9 stocks are in the red for every 5 advancers over at the stock exchange. Let's take a look to see how the markets are shaping up to close out this, the second to last trading session of the week. And after talking about corporations, it's time for me to address the following. Last night, wow. I knew, and I said it on camera, that it's going to be an American classic. That as an American, you have to be patriotic and watch that game. And if you did, you're one happy American. Sure, it lasted long. Sure, it was 10 innings. Sure, there was a rain delay. Sure, there were up and downs, come from behinds. Unbelievable moments of beauty. Nothing's better than Game 7. Congratulations to the Chicago Cubs. Yes, I wanted the Indians to win. Yes, I'm not even an Indians fan, but I'm a fan of the movie Major League, and I'm a fan of Wild Thing. And it was good to see that he was there. But unfortunately, they didn't win, but the Cubs breaking that 108-year curse. Congratulations, gentlemen. Well deserved. And Theo Epstein, can you leave that team and possibly manage the Mets or the Jets or the Nets or the Knicks? Something in New York? Boston, Chicago, next stop, New York. Come on, Theo. We're waiting for you. For Modern Wall Street, I'm James Swinney.